So, we're backing up, you guys. I'm Ralphie and Landon. Here it is. CSX M327 with 28 freight cars. That's right, 28 freight cars. Here's right now. There he is. There he is right now, guys. There he is. See his headlight. Moving. Holy moly. Quick, before I change the camera. Here we go. Moving. Holy moly. A quick train deal for you guys. Here we go. Lots of scrap metal gondolas to start. Holy moly, look at them. Lots of loaded gondolas and scrap metal. Holy moly. Moving, holy moly. CG mouth was 20.78. Almost where we're at right now. In Dealing, Michigan. CSX boxcar. Ham boxcar coming up right now. In motor wall cars. That's it. There's the end, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Visit us on Ralph and Landon out.